Now see the problem number 4. XYZ Limited with its head office in Bengaluru has a branch at Mysore. XYZ is a company having head office in Bangalore and it is having branches at Mysore. So we have to prepare branch account. Goods are supplied to the branch at cost. The expenses of the branches are paid from Bengaluru and at the branches keep a sales ledger and data ledger only. Right? Here, whatever the expenses need to be met by the branches are paid by head office only, and they are supposed to prepare sales ledger and data ledger. But we are preparing what? Branch account in the books of head office. From the following information supplied by the branch, prepare branch account and branch data account in the books of head office. Now, in order to prepare the branch account, that is the debit side and credit side. Debit side all expenses and losses, and credit side all income and gain. So we will record all the expenses right now. Now see one by one. Stock at branch. Stock at branch, that is the opening stock. Expenses are we can treat it as asset, debit side. Next one, goods sent to branch during the year. Goods sent to the branch during the year. You assume this as what purchase ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ, right? For 48,600 total sales at the branch. Total sales ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, right? Total sales is equal to what? Cash sales plus credit sales. Credit sales. Now see that what is the total sales? 78,300 and cash sales is 19,300 and we don't know the credit sales, question mark. That is when it comes to here, that is the credit sales is equal to 78,300 minus 19,300 and the credit sales is equal to how much? That is 59,000, right? Total sales is 78,300. Out of the cash sales given, that is 19,300. With that information, we can able to calculate what? Credit sales of 78,300 minus 19,300. Then the remaining is credit sales. This credit sales will be recorded in memorandum trading account to the credit sales on the debit side, and cash sales will go to record under the Mysore branch account by bank account. Cash sales. Now. Cash received from debtors. Cash received from debtors is an income for the head office, right under the credit side by bank account along with the cash sales, and the same right under that is by cash account in debtors account. When the cash is received from the debtors, the debtor balance is decreasing by cash account. Next one, petty cash at the branch. Petty cash is again it's opening balance asset. Right under debit side of the branch account. Goods returned by branch. Goods ಮತ್ತೆ return ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Goods when they are returning by the branch to the head office, it leads to what? Income, means expenses ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, so it is a income. Next one, cash sent to branches for expenses. Here all the expenses met which is incurred in the branches are met by head office only, that is to bank account, salary, petty cash and rent. Next, stock at branch, closing stock, credit side, petty cash at branch given credit side. Suppose if the petty cash is not given closing balance, we are supposed to calculate the petty cash. That upcoming problem I am going to explain how to calculate the petty cash. Next, debtors at the branch on closing date, that is 31st March 2015, 18,300. This you record in debtors account, that is by balance carried on. Same again credit side by closing debtors, and whatever the balance we are going to calculate as opening debtors, again we have to write on the debit side of the branch account. With this information, prepare the branch account and memorandum debtors account. Now first we are going to see the working note number 1, that is preparation of the memorandum debtors account. To opening balance, that is to balance brought down, they are not given, so now calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Next one, by balance carried on, they are given the amount by balance carried on. How much? That is 18,300. 18,300 Again, there is a cash receipt from debtors by cash account amount, that is 54,400. It is cash receipt from debtors. Next, is there any credit sales? We have already calculated the credit sales. To credit sales amount 59,000. 59,000. There is no any discount allowed, there is no bad debt, there is no any sale. That is all. 54,400 plus 18,300, that is a total of 72,700. That is the credit side is more 72,700, and the 72,000 minus 59,000, that balance will be called as opening debtors. That is 13,700. 13,700. This 13,700 recording branch account. Now we will prepare the branch account. First one is to opening stock. Opening stock given in the problem, that is 16,700. Next, is there any petty cash? To petty cash amount 220. Next, there is a goods sent to branch. To goods sent to branch amount 48,600. Next, to opening debtors, which we have already calculated in working note number 1, amount 13,700. Next, there is an expenses in the branch. To bank account, the expenses are salary, rent and petty cash. Petty cash expenses. Salary amount 13,200 and rent 2,600. Petty cash 3,200, and all the amount, that is 19,000, is the total bank account. Next, again credit side, there is a sales, that is by bank account. Cash sales. Don't record the credit sales because still they have not received the amount. So that's record only cash sales 19,300, and some receipt or received from debtors, that is 54,400. Add both the amount, that is 73,700. Next, there is a goods sent to branch. Opening is there, same way they are returning back the goods. Some of the goods returned by branch. By goods returned by branch amount 5,900. Next, opening stock is there. Meanwhile, we have to calculate the closing stock also by closing stock. If closing stock is not given, we have to calculate. That I will going to show in the next problem. Closing stock given in the problem is 20,800. Next, by petty cash at branch, petty cash at branch, that is 200. And the next one is the last, that is by closing debtors. Closing debtors amount 18,300. So this will be the transaction. Close the account. Credit side, the amount, that is 1,18,900. 1,18,900, and make it balance from 1,18,900 minus the debit balance. Then you will get to general P&L account, that is profit carried on. Amount 20,680. A very simple problem. How to prepare the, that is a branch account. debit all expenses, credit all income and gain. So if any missing information, that we have to prepare the account. Your missing information is opening data, open the memorandum debtors account, then you can able to calculate the opening debtors account, right? Thank you so much.